Right, let's log on to the server. And quickly we're going to put Ansible onto here. So we're just going to get a terminal up and running. Because we could use the short keys for this. So first things first, we're going to add a repository. So I'm just going to do a sudo apt add repository. Just make sure we spell that correctly. Good. -y ppa, which is where we normally start, and then Ansible. Put in the elevated password, and that looks good. Right, let's do a normal sudo apt get update. Since we've just done that, well, the repository's here, we'll go get the files. It doesn't take very long. And then we'll install Ansible. There we go. So sudo apt get. Ooh, where did that 0 come from? Hey, install. Got all excited about getting to that point. Good. Just now, auxiliary note, you might need to do a sudo apt get install python software properties. But we should be okay. Let's just have a look and see if we can see what we should see. And we should have a directory of Ansible. Yes, we have. Just use the tab, it confirms things. And yep, there's an Ansible config file and there's a host file. Come back to that in just a moment. And just to confirm what we've got, quick command to test. There we are. It's there and it's in and it's available. So we can start thinking about looking at the host file in particular. This is the Ansible host file where we are, as we can see, in the /etc/Ansible. And again, if we just have a look at that host file for a moment, is perhaps put it through more, don't know how big it is, we can see that we've got something that looks a little bit like a sort of a host file, but it's an Ansible host file. And what we'll have in here is we'll have different names, so we can see web servers down here, and then we'll have a list of web servers using their IP address or the domain names, of course, if we've got DNS. And then we'll group those, and then we can then send commands via Ansible to those groups by their group names. So in the case of DB servers there, we've got a group of DB servers. They're hashed out at the moment, but we could liven that up, and we will do later on.